meet me now. For a while, I now for go buy sugar for me. This is not how people are not for 10 again. But you don't meet me now. You know they meet nobody now. Now me they meet. What for a while send you to they can't do whatever.
Baba, you know you read the news.
What's the news?
Salon. We don't get 72 cases. 72 cases. 14 don't die. They say next week they give you 2 weeks lockdown.
Easy. Mama do wait till I ask you, yeah? This is news why they tell me so. You be here on television?
No.
You be see on radio?
No.
Easy. So who say you pull this news?
Na social media.
So now social media talking they come for cut me out. But you now all the pass to fake. Una fake news. Una fake news. Social media. Wait for me. You see this people? Now me picking Ben and me bona. But before government arrest them for fake news, la pull me up, la lucky I want them. Make a lucky I want them. They pass you to fake news. Right now they don't talk say anybody where they pass you to fake news, they go and pass government they arrest them, they can't go to jail. So before government arrest, la pull me on para. Hey, you where they pass you to fake news. Now if you want to know anything, hey, now government get right no more for announce. Because this time what we do, if they pass with fake news, all what the government they do, it undermine and no they see her. The official government no they try. So before government they arrest her, la pull me on para. Hey, right now where they want for line on social media, you know for the right, they say breaking news.
Oh my God.
Now government don't say, now they no more responsible for give people their news. This can't tell they so no one fake news. If they go and lie, it undermine government effort. So I know what you can like this about they can say na social media now waiting. It don't can cut me out. Fake news they kill. When I hear it, I'm a meeting the white die for fake news. News no guarantee, fake news no more. So now if you want for your reality, either than talk on television or you look on a radio. You understand? From my hand away, you don't get and I go no say na true. But they come on no more. So my phone is not charged, in not that fine. They go say this one ala me la hala kia.
Smart and he could not know how to talk to big people.
This I shut up mama and God you see that baba ya if you say na you want me ala baba people are the drink jam at the smoke mama le no sabi me if you say na begin take for Ramadan you no sabi me I know that talk line talk but this is remember it's in mama where born you they tell us so it's in papa where born you
attack big people them. But so they go tell you bad the days is so. I
know they're talking at Janama talk line talking. No left for no more. I didn't say I want to play the time say Papa the game don't big. Papa, that's all you see the game big with me bigger. Namina kanda nero. Namina rade, namina kiami. It's big namibiga. I if I yari the talk now the game that the suit possible.
It was made strong by the end of the Almighty. We forward. These songs of freedom is all I ever. Hey, Bob Marley. So you might ask what? The Papa died to man so Papa died to man so If some Bob Marley, you can message you, but you can message you, Bob Mr. Marley pass. You see the hits. And Papa, I like to use
Hello? Yes, you can't do what thing? Talk fast, they cut me up. What the mama do? You don't kill us? La, what the me at the counter? What me at the counter? At the counter, what me, yeah? Hey!
Bob Marley.
Mama do?
Hey, Bob Marley.
Mama do, can't do what? Mama do?
Babe, hey, babe. Babe, got speak fiction, babe. Babe, afternoon.
Oh no!
Babe, man die, babe.
What that?
Who Papa? Babe, Papa don't die, babe.
Let me born you.
Babe, who Papa die? Babe, Papa don't die, babe. Babe, they born me. Babe, the Papa don't die, babe. Babe, look, man, the Papa die, babe. Babe, if you go one more man, give. Let's go, stop, babe. Bob Marley die. Bob Marley die, the man there.
So Mama don't lie, you not to me now, you baby, not to me born you.
Babe, rasta, babe. Babe, no one understand. They may love you, not to be Papa die.
Who that Papa?
Bob Marley. Bob Mr. Marley, babe, Papa die so, babe. Bob Mr. Marley, may 11. I never forget this day, babe.
For Mama Mali they cry for?
Yes, babe.
For Mama.
Bob Marley die. Le phone gun full of man die, babe.
What is?
Le phone gun full of man die, babe.
Mama do because of Jamba why you don't drink, you don't smoke Mama. He say before Mama Mali die, I found the full of mad. But you did the Buruki Jinjabo. The Puru Jamba you today you. The Puru Jamba you today you do it Jamba you team up here. I said team up here. What's the matter? This is me so.
Bob Marley for Bob Marley make it stop me. I'm make it do so, babe.
What did that do? No. Dunia fu. Isi Bobo, no team up la Buruki Jinjabo today. I like you Bobo you. He don't drink that by some more Mali. He said before Bobo Mali. Now for Bobo Mali they cry for. Now for Bobo Mali they cry for. By see how lucky can I today. Look all them here. Look.
I said to what's happened? What's happened to you? What's happened? What's happened? What's happened?
What's happened? This is your mama. I'll talk to you.
This is a Kuru. When I go down the local 171 local 171 What do you want to know for Kolo 170? What's in America?
Papa wants to say me.
Very good. Team up now. What you say? You know that Kurbola na belege? Asa tu da bele you. Now Mike go take class na bele you. This is what they tell you. This is not Kurbola take no celebrity. Halaki mama, halaki pikin.
Why you go can't tell me about Halaki mama Halaki?
Now you say no.
Now Daddy has sent her for. Now we go study has sent her for. Not tell her Lego to spell it.
I don't tell you no say like no.
Once I tell her for go take. I don't tell her Lego to spell it with her. So what did they blame me for? What did I be on?
But come on, I before. Hella tell you. How we get big Halaki na mama? You know no.
No, don't tell me.
You know sabi dande.
Because na class.
Hey, and she say no man go school. That man why bele you. Take out the lie they married on.
He lay down.
Oh, that's what they say.
Yes.
Auntie
Effie. Yes. Baba. Not just so for me. You know me say because of Corona don't come. We forget about early marriage. Answer our guys with teenage pregnancy. Let we not forget say Corona can done. But then teenagers so back in the continue for live with we if we not attack at this moment. And you the Comrian. Now you for land for the talk to you picking. And even you man. And the man we go do this thing to this picking. I must see how this picking.
Now 16 years old.
You see? Then you want go send an out to a man at this age for let you go marry.
No man, what you want married?
Baba, not so you send her. This one girl picking, early marriage, teenage pregnancy, and suffer in 1 gram. this man. And I get right for take out to the law. And then now they waste time though. Then they arrest that tiki one and the law go bet some. Because unless he don't do so, it's not correct.
Now money what you want married? Now me say now.
So you go send them. You let say me he go married now.
But now mama now you say now. I know what you my body have. Now you say now more.
I don't say now.
You say now.
I don't see that now. Yes. You na woman.
Now pay for me picking up. Pay for me picking up. God don't tell you pay for me picking up. How much billion do you want? 2,000 billion.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah, how you do, sir? Yes, sir. Please, would you ask for the landlord of this compound?
Well, I mean, daddy, and me, mommy, they don't go do business at home, sir.
Okay. Would you ask for Mr. Fubin? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you call him for we?
Maggie!
Madam Marie, how you do?
Fine, sir.
Everything.
Fine, sir.
3 days ago, so we can't take you, man. And as a government, we care, we go for go test and know really waiting to happen. But we not get for hide anything and one for let you know, say we don't go test and you get corona. Yeah. Calm down. That's not the end of life. Calm down. One, let you just take it easy. Calm down and let you know what exactly government will do after this, please. Yeah? Yes, sir. Please now, how much is at this compound?
I'll 8 years, sir. Plus Mr. Follow then can't take them this year.
Okay. Currently, anybody there where they out?
Pass me mommy, daddy, no more.
Please, well, let's get them contract so we'll be able to trace them, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Marie, calm down. And this is a national pandemic with all over. So please, calm down, yeah? You know me say if the man don't get it, I say will get him, yeah? So calm down and try for know what government will do for now. They could try for take care of this situation, okay? Since we don't get the number now at this compound and we don't get a case at this compound, so we will obviously quarantine this compound.
No, go to mommy, daddy.
No, we go trace them. We don't get them. You don't inhale the virus. This time, pandemic for all this. No, I know. Okay, one thing I'll leave for me. If you get phone, try for calling the family outside and tell them exactly what will happen. So they will see busy with you. Yeah? So, okay,
hello?
They do.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't celebrate now our compound. I don't know say they get Kurubola. They don't guarantee the compound. I don't know, it shall be done on the camp. But they say we are there for 14 days. But I don't know. They have been to police, you know, so we just married, not do nothing, waiting for me, yeah? Police do it. Baby, I just married the police. Baby.
No, calm down.
Hey, come do what you
for all good. Since we quarantine this compound, we don't want anybody for go outside or anybody for come inside. So please, anyone from now, ministry officials, and go come, give una food, every basic thing we need, okay? Yeah? So besides, you take over, then... Okay, fine.
Baby, I'm not...
For beer. Yeah, after 14 to the end of your life. After 14 days, you don't go back again if you not know you. I beg you, I go so, yeah? For beer, I understand. For beer. Now go so, yeah? Now go so. I beg you, I beg you, yeah?
What do you mean about now? At the same time, man, this corona family has on the same house.
Hey, to me, I don't really expect you.
I don't expect that. You will accept that.
No, don't put you a place on that corona family. Una be so glad you don't catch it up. I do. Una do no glad you. Una no turn a pull on a stick on a couch na. Una glad ya. We no glad. Una de corona family also.
Jesus is Lord.
Okay, now wait. This one I do so not fight to this woman. Now we all on there. This woman, this way meeting, so not to you a glad for. Now a man now sick. He said this meeting, he said not to for begin to tell a word for. Mr. said that the landlord he can be to me. You see, all on there as one. They are they beg. This one I do to so he bad past the sick, self for a meeting, man. This not stigmatizing, I stigmatize this woman so. This is very bad. They are hold on there, not all there Aswan, hold on there Aswan family, not all there. This is not sick. They are the beg.
I left down there. Look where you sit down. Now you know who say come out to bring the butter.
Please, landlord, please, see for a walk and I cook, I give me that. Please, I got respect for you. I got respect for him. Please, let pull him out for me. I'm not Giladi. Remember, Giladi ba.
Okay, calm down.
I'm not Giladi. Remember, now you born me ba. Now you born me. Now you born me ba.
Jesus is Lord.
No, landlord, are they waiting? No. You see. So tell me what they call and a bit. I know the pick. You remember Giladi ba?
Get right here, man.
Funke.
There are 50 hours the government they do for we love the manager for 14 days they don't just know. You go to another binta.
No, not to that. It's like na born me. Na business. Na business ba. Remember to say na there. Not to be that cancel. But remember what come my official Giladi ba. Na binta they call no. They call I know the pick. From today they call I know the member say Giladi.
Get right here, man.
Member say Giladi ba.
So tomorrow they done. This 14 days here. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That man don't begin so sign them. Yes. The team bull. He does this. You don't go sign. Yeah, you don't go sign. Yes. Yeah, the all Monday. Okay, sir. I do it for you, sir.
And the same God make light. I say the same God will make bitterness. And the same God make sweetness.
Okay. The landlord?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Yes, we get a call say somebody in at this compound we don't show all the signs of the virus. But not to say like you don't get the sickle. We go with her, we go test her. As a responsible government, we care for everybody in health. Right? Now everything as usual, when I used to forget, they count back. Now we extend the time to another 14 days. Right? Officer, take charge.
This woman now all living yesterday. Now it don't show this sign, the symptoms and the sign all don't show for this woman. And nobody know they above the law. Una know we patient. When the government don't say, Lord wait, una know we wait. This is not for me and you too. Not for me and you too help. Then the effect for so. If you get again, una know we patient. This not for me and you too. Not for the right body. Koto, yeah, big.
Babe, please you do it.
Koto, sit down.
Babe, not to have the adoko. Babe, now go please you do it.
We go no side. Sit down.
It's a no for
Papa, wait, yeah. No one beer. Mr. Segba getting for the ball, no one beer.
Oh, babe, wait till I call Peter.
Tell them come, yeah.
Babe, wait, I call Peter, please. Hello?
Calm down.
Hello, Binta. I shall talk on that. You don't fuck about. Now you the halaki mortal man. You don't coffee now. You don't form it. You see this whole thing now. The doctor they say they talk about 14 days, please. But no. Binta, please you do it. No say them bobo. They are afraid them bobo. Them more. They lie bobo. They please you not do nothing. They are waiting for me. Please you do it. Yeah. No, but this is me. I don't go. I just don't go another day. Officer, wait. Is it like they
No, wait.
Officer,
Wait, what did the government say? I'm a patient, yeah? It might be say nothing will happen to you. Wait for a big.
But you might wake up na me bona.
No, but no one is here. It might be say
Officer, kill her.